drivable system.
So what she goes to public school?
She goes to St. Joseph Catholic School.
Oh, fancy.
And guess what? I have a fast power.
Do you know how to ride the four-wheeler?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fancy.
And I don't even have to use, and guess what? There's no doors on it.
922.
Well, normally all four-wheelers don't have doors, right?
I didn't know that. Yeah, I know four-wheelers don't have doors.
But it is cool.
I love four-wheelers. I just fell off, so it's kind of scary.
What? You fell off of a four-wheeler?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
How in the world did you? I remember falling off of my four-wheeler before because it's so steady.
I know. I just went a little bit too fast and stopped a little bit too hard.
How did you fall off like that? Can't you just hold on to the handlebar?
No, it jerked me so hard that I fell. It hurt really bad.
Oh. Ouch.
So I never been on a four-wheeler since then.
Well, just to tell you, don't actually stop too hard. When I stop my four-wheeler, I just start by pressing the brake handle gently. Well, you would press it hard unless would you rather get hurt or would you rather die? I would rather just get hurt than die. So I would use hard stopping like in a rather like let's say you were about to crash into a fire. That's when you would really want to use hard braking. But if I were you, I would get hurt than just dying, because I know you have to go to the hospital, but would you rather get hurt or would you rather end your life?
That's a hard decision.
Get hurt. I would just get hurt. Me too. Well, I have tried when I was accelerating and I stopped. I put it in forwards because I was about to crash into my mom's 2019 Toyota Camry.
I would have been mad at you if I was your mommy.
But I would have put it in. I put it in forward so quick that when I hit the throttle, it skated into the garage.
So Daniel, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Are you visually impaired or are you completely blind?
I'm completely blind.
And that is so cool that you know how to drive a four-wheeler. What?
Well, I learned how to drive because basically I said, oh, I want a four-wheeler so bad because it's a motorcycle and I've never seen kids driving gas-powered things. And then, okay, and then they said, oh, all right, we'll get you it. And then I saw so many boxes in the garage and they said, I said, Mommy, what are these boxes doing here? And then I told her, and then she said, oh, nothing. They're just for me and your dad. And then on Christmas, I moved the boxes out of the way, and it was actually the four-wheeler being covered.
No way. Oh, you got the coolest parents ever. They really bought you a four-wheeler and taught you how to drive it.
They surprised me, and I said, when I got it, no, wait, can I turn it on, please?
That is so cool, Daniel.
And I got to put the key in, because it was basically my four-wheeler, so who would start a four-wheeler that's not yours?
Yeah.
So I got to start it because it was basically my present.
That is so cool. You have the coolest parents ever.
And luckily, I don't hit the throttle as hard. I back it out like let me show, I'll show you.
Do you ride around in your yard and stuff?
Well, I can back out halfway out, I can back out almost to the end of my driveway.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Okay, so you
Oh, this is where big old condo is. If he's the only condo back here,
I've actually
if it's dead end, you gotta turn around. Yeah.
I've actually driven this fast on my 4-wheeler.
So this is Mr. Wyatt gets off here. Sander
Like
Birkin.
when we turn into Samsung Way, I'll show you how fast I back down. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we're about to run at Samsung Way. So
So this is him. Mr. Fred.
this is how soft I start stopping with the 4-wheeler. Okay, I'll show you how fast I back down. I don't make a loop because I don't have to. But Miss Serena, you know how I back out? I back out like technically.
Parking in this area is prohibited.
This is how fast I backed out of my driveway.
Don't park here, we'll put up another sign.
Oh, look at the baby bunny.
Is it baby buddy?
Yes. Oh my goodness, I never saw a baby hair. That is so cute. I want to capture it.
Okay, I had an idea. Go
Okay, this oh they come right here.
get out of the bus and I triple dog dare you to get the bunny.
Well, I don't want you to just look like all their parents ready. Wyatt, you can come on.
Bye, Wyatt.